there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. It's donkeystomper.com. Alrighty guys, we got a 2x6 custom build staged. Going to do a quick test review for a customer sent in for repair. The fan was broke out of it. Put him a new fan there. Went all the way through the amp. I think he had something wrong on his side. Checked everything. Couldn't find anything wrong with it. Just want to make him a quick video. Show him what it's doing. Actually, it was kind of impressive. It's doing really good. So we're going to turn him on. Key up our radio. Straight through SWR. Worldwide. 0. We're going to turn on the 2-pill section, which is two 1446s. Valve wide open. Hello, worldwide. Well, hold on. Wrong switch. 2-pill section. Hello, worldwide. 150 pp. Input SWR is good. Turn it off. I think this one's running like 15.8 or something too. 6-pill section. Hello, worldwide. 912. Go over and turn 2x6. That's not bad off. Hello, 2x6. 2x6 is really impressive numbers for a 6-pill. 1, 2, 3, 2x6. Get on down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll look up here on our bird. 2500 watt slug. 1500. Hello, worldwide. Showing about the same on the bird. A little 1500. So almost 1700 on the bird. Worldwide. Like I said, I just want to show them it's working like it's supposed to be. Go over here, go on the outdoor dummy load, colossal. I'll just do it all again, 2-pill. Hello, worldwide. 167. 6-pill, hello, 1212, 905. 2x6. Hello, 121212, 123. Outdoor dummy load, the colossal outdoor dummy load. Breaker. That's all it is, guys. I just want to show the gentleman's working before we get it all back together. Alrighty, guys. I appreciate you watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to our YouTube channel, Patreon channel members. Y'all take care. Your friend in 10, 01 Boost, Donkey Stomper. Bye.